Hello and welcome to another installment of Music Time with Mr. Z. I'm Mr. Z. Today we're going to play the guitar. The guitar has 6 strings, tuned as such. Starting at the skinniest one. E, B, G, D, A, and E. Alright, so make sure you tune your guitar with a tuner. Before we get started, your index finger is going to be 1 in this video. Your middle finger is going to be 2 in this video. 3 for your ring and 4 for your pinky. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to refer to those numbers for what fingers to use. So I'm going to teach you 4 simple chords from the key of C major. In C major, we learned to scale in a previous video. And C major, we learned to scale in a previous video. Anywho, back to chords. We're going to start with C. So basically these are called shapes, and we're going to make shapes with our fingers on certain frets and strings, and then when we sound all the strings at once, it'll play a nice chord for us. So the first chord is going to be C major. We're going to take our ring finger, or third finger, and put it on string, A string, fret 3. Sounds like that. Take your middle finger, without moving your other one, take your middle finger, pop that on D string, right there, fret 2. And then your index finger is going to go on the B string, fret 1. The best way to learn chords is to play each string one at a time, like this. If they all sound or resonate, you're doing it right. If it's like this, something's up. Usually you're not playing with your fingertips enough or pushing hard enough. So if I don't push hard enough, or if I play with the pads of my fingers, okay, doesn't work. Fingertips, like straight into the fretboard basically, all right? So A string, fret 3, third finger. D string, fret 2, middle finger. The B string, fret 1. So since we're here, we're going to skip to an easy F. Now everything's going to stay the same, but your ring finger and middle finger are going to go down a string. So your ring finger goes to the D string, and your middle finger goes to the G string on fret 2. So they stayed the same. And then with your index finger, you're going to use the pad of your hand, even though I said not to, pad of your finger, to play these 2 strings together. Only play the bottom 4. This is F major. Now, this is F major, but that's hard to do for beginners. So we're going to play easy F. Here's a C. Here's an F. My ring finger and middle finger come down, and my first finger squishes those 2 other notes. And they should all sound, might sound a little hollower than the other sound, the other chord, but it's right, it's an F. So now you just practice going back and forth. C, F, C, F. Now since we're here, let's go to an A minor. A minor, B string, first finger, fret 1. Third finger, G string, fret 2, and the middle finger is going to play the D string, fret 2. So we have open, open, second fret, first fret, and then open at the bottom. Now this is a minor chord, so it's going to sound kind of sad. Oh, it's tragic. Add that to the rotation. C. Everything is cool, it's not a race. F. A minor. Now for the most irregular out of all those shapes, we're going to play a G major. G major is a great chord because it uses all the strings and has a nice full sound. So, first string, the E, the big E up here. We're going to use our middle finger to play fret 3. Okay? We're going to use our first finger to play A string, fret 1, 2, fret 2. Let's listen to those. Okay, if it sounds like that, good. If it sounds like this, push harder, use your fingertips. Then, everything else is open. Until you get to the last string, and you're going to grab it with your pinky or your ring finger. I play with my ring finger. So we have 3rd fret, top string. 2nd fret, A string. And then 3rd fret, a little bit awkward. You can see it in there. With our ring finger. Sounds like that. Okay, so again. Good. Not good. So these open chords, C, F, A minor, and G. C, F, A minor, G. They make up a lot of songs. And if you can just practice at your own pace, go in between them. First day, pick 2. And then maybe add a 3rd one, 4th one. And it'll sound nice in any order you put them. So just experiment. And try different strum patterns, and you're all good. And remember, fingertips. Thumbs up, guitar. Hard, but fun. I don't have anywhere to put this.